Welcome to Code Junction. In this video, we are going to cover method reference. It's basically feature of Java 8 and it is very important for coding and interview purpose both. So let's take an example so that you can understand it in a better way. So basically, I have taken a functional interface and interface name is interf and it has only one M1 method and it is abstract method. Means inside this interface there is only one abstract method. That's why this is a functional interface. So what we can do, we can assign a lambda expression to this functional interface. Inter f1 is equal to, basically it's take an input parameter and we are going to print this input parameter. Here we can mention this is a lambda expression plus x. Just run the program by calling enter f1 dot m1 method and pass any value. So this will basically print lambda expression and value of the integer that we are passing inside m1 method. So here is a result, lambda expression. So instead of assigning a lambda expression to this functional interface, we can also assign a method, instance method. So what will I do? I will create object of this class. This class has m2 method. Okay. So method reference example is equal to new and what we can do, we can assign a method, instance method instead of lambda expression. So this is the way, this is the object that we have created, double colon and method name that is present here inside this class, and we can call this enter f2 dot m1 method by passing any integer value. Let's take it 30 and run the program. So you can see that here is the result, method reference 30, and inside this m2 method I have taken method reference hyphen I, means the integer that we are passing in this method. So in this example we can see that instead of assigning a lambda expression to a functional interface, we can assign a instance method or static method. If you are assigning instance method, then object name colon colon method name. If this method is static, so we can assign by class name method name. Suppose if method is static, it's not, but I am assuming that it is a static method, then we have to assign by class name colon colon method name. In this way we can assign method reference to a functional interface. We can refer, basically we are referring this method to this functional interface. And now move to the theory part. Functional interface method can be mapped to our specified method by using double colon operator. This is called method reference. As I told you that here is a functional interface method m1 and we are referring it by a instance method by using double colon operator. Our specified method can be either static method or instance method. So as I showed you that if it is an instance method, then we can refer it by object name double colon method name, or if it is a static method, then we can refer it by class name double colon method name. Functional interface method and our specified method should have same argument type, except this is the remaining thing like return type, method name, modifiers, etc. are not required to match. So here to refer this abstract method of this functional interface. Only the required thing is to match the parameter, the argument type. Here it's also taking integer, and in M2 method it is also taking a integer value. So other things doesn't matter, as like return type, modifier and method name. The only thing that should be matched is parameter. Method should have same argument type. This is the only required thing. Functional interface can refer lambda expression, as I showed you in example that we can assign a lambda expression to a functional interface, and functional interface can also refer method reference. Hence lambda expression can be replaced with method reference. Hence method reference is an alternative syntax to lambda expression. So instead of referring a lambda expression, we can refer a method reference. The benefit of method reference is that this method is already present, so we don't have to write implementation as like lambda expression. For lambda expression, I have to write system.out.println, but this thing is already present. So basically it is useful in our code optimization. So this is all about method reference. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Meet you in next video. Bye.